Students, now let us talk about the vendor managed inventory VMI. You would have known about VMI from the case of Dell. It was part of the operations and supply chain strategy of, specifically the supply chain strategy of Dell. So what was a VMI? If you can revisit it, if you can refresh your mind. Vendor managed inventory was such exclusive, I would not say exclusive manufacturer, the one who actually reserves more capacity for Dell, and he would be in close proximity to Dell, would be acting as a partner of Dell. So he would actually be a supply chain partner of Dell. And he could provide the items which were not with Dell in Dell's manufacturing unit within no time. They claim that they could provide it in 20 minutes. So there are many benefits of a vendor managed inventory VMI, which Dell is actually reaping. For example, for a customized laptop, you wanted to add the webcam, and it was not in the design of that laptop. So not only the webcam would not be available in the inventory of Dell, also the bezel in which it needs to be fitted would not be with the Dell. These things would be coming within no time from the VMI. So VMI is an important concept. It's one of the important aspects of supply chain partnerships. So when VMI is used, the vendor takes responsibility for the inventory held in the client's premises. He would actually maintain the minimum level of inventory at the client's premises. The vendor monitors inventory levels and organizes replenishment. Ownership of the inventory passes to the client when the inventory is actually utilized. Otherwise, it would be a part of vendor's inventory. For VMI to be effective, the management of information is crucial. It's very important to exchange your product information, even the product design information, with your supplier. That's an important concept in terms of product design as well. So your supplier should be a part of your product design process, should be a part of your R&D. Vendor and client will have linked computer systems often using electronic data interchange, EDI. So in that sense, VMI would be more effective, because that is why it is a partnership. You have to make him, your supplier, a partner for making him a VMI, because you need to share the information of your product or the modifications of your product or design of your product with your supplier. So when the client retains an element of involvement in managing the vendor's inventory, this is referred as co-managed inventory. Sometimes, the minimum level of inventory with the client actually accepts it and he takes the responsibility of it. It is actually referred as CMI or co-managed inventory. So CMI would be a part of a VMI. So basic concept is actually VMI. Thank you.